There they go.
Yep.
Yep.
I can see it'll be a little
Well, I guess y'all don't know how I have all this stuff, do you?
Well, I'll get that one. You ready to start tearing?
Everybody's suited up, right?
Yeah, except for me. You ready to start tearing?
Oh, go ahead and suit up.
Think I'll need it?
I think you will.
Lay your net out here where they can.
Yeah, I think we'll
off.
just turn it and put it out there.
Yeah.
Turn it over. There's gonna be a lot of confusion.
Okay, you ready to peel it back from the front?
Yeah, I think so.
And where are you going to put it over?
Put it over there, just in the
Okay.
road.
Okay. Well, you want to flip it over to your side then and then carry it out?
Well, we can. Whatever you want to do.
You gonna pull it this way or what?
What are you gonna do? Flip it up?
Yeah, just pull it your way.
Woo! There they go.
Yep.
Yep.
I can see it'll be a little Surely Doc will just speed it up so we don't cover up, or so that we can cover up all of our mess up.
What you smoking over there, Bob?
Smells like hickory with this burlap.
Burlap. Is that hemp burlap?
Okay, folks, we're in a new yard in Colquitt County. It's March 2nd. Tai and gallberries probably 2 weeks to bloom, maybe 3 weeks. We just set this little yard out here. We're getting ready to take a look at them, feed them, put a pollen patty on them, give them some beetle treatment, look at the general overall scheme of things, put supers on the one that needs supers, and let them settle in for the next couple of weeks.
Wow. so we got all 20 hives put in the yard. Got them all fed. Got the pollen patties on them. Got them supered up. They're all ready for the gallberry and the tie-tie, which should be here in about 2 or 3 weeks. And right now we're just going to leave them and come back in a couple weeks and check on the blooms and make sure that they're working. And other than that, you just don't want to mess with them too much. This is Doc, Bob, and Bob for GAFLLA Bees, reminding you to hit subscribe, hit that like button, and ring that bell for more updates. Have a great day and be happy. You can see all the bees kind of congregated to the back of the truck.
Yeah, they're congregated. They're not clustered, so I can just go.
All the devils are on the bed. All right. What we do here.
Maybe they'll fly over there and find their home.
I hope so. Well, they're all in my door there.
Getting a good picture of them?
I think so.
Okay.